Ready, set, bake. Let's talk tarts. This Wilton tart pan allows you to make delicious fruit tarts with fluted edges and savory quiches. No matter the type of quiche baking dish, it will be sure to come out beautifully with this two-piece tart pan set. Durability. The Wilton tart pans are made up of durable steel that bakes quiche baking dishes evenly and prevents warping. The bottom is removable so you can lift your dish right out for easy serving. Non-stick. Durable premium non-stick coating on our Wilton tart pan allows your food to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks. Care instructions. Dishwasher safe. However, for best results, wash the Wilton tart pan in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. Includes 1 tart pan. Dimensions: 11 in diameter x 1 in, 28 cm diameter x 2.8 cm, limited 10-year warranty. Wilton Premium Non-Stick Bakeware combines superior non-stick performance, serving convenience, and elegant designs which provide the highest level of baking satisfaction. Heavy-duty steel construction prevents warping. Easy cleanup and dishwasher safe. Recipe included. Top reviews from the United States. Lemon tart was a success. I bought this specifically to make an amazing lemon tart recipe I tasted. It was phenomenal. Shout out to the lemon olive oil tart from America's Test Kitchen. I hate lemon flavored things and it blows my mind. So, I bought this pan and made it. It was easy to use, easy to separate, and the tart came cleanly out of the mold. Wonderful product. It is 11 so it's a bigger tart pan, so be prepared to double ingredients to fit everything in. I have now collected a few other recipes I can use the pan for and am so excited to start baking more with it.